Good morning students. Now today we will study exercise 1.2, that is based on comparison of numbers. So in your primary classes, that means from 1 to 5, you all have thoroughly learned about few symbols. Okay, so let us discuss about those symbols. What is this? If here it is written 5 and it is written 3, that means what? 5 is greater than 3. Okay, so this symbol here means greater than. Okay, greater than. Okay, and if it is written 3 less than 5, so here now it means less than. Okay, less than. So altogether the point is that these two apart face, when face on this side, that means it will be a greater one, and when this pointed source will point on that side is known as less than. Okay, so this is the symbol. Okay, and one more thing is 5 is equals to 5. This means equal to. This means equal to. You all have learned in small classes many times. Okay, this means equal to, greater than and less than. Greater than, less than, equal to, you all have learned in your classes many times. Okay, now see here, we have to study in this exercise about ascending orders, about descending orders. You all have learned. Okay, I will explain here, and what you all have to do, you all have to solve the exercise in your fair copy. It is very simple exercise. Okay, so need not to explanation is not very much here in this exercise. The thing is that you have to practice it, you have to solve it. Okay, see here, in ascending order you all know, ascending order means what? Ascending order means from smaller to greater, ना छोटे से बड़े की ओर. Okay, smaller to greater. Suppose for example we will have number like 23, 25, 15, 12, 9, 28, 34, 46, 2, okay, then 7, 84, like these. This number is given in the these are the data given, these are the number data which is also known as data given in any question, and in question it is asked to arrange it in ascending order. Ascending order means what? From smaller to greater. Okay, so what we will do, we will start finding the smaller number in the series. Smaller number in the series. Okay, see here, smaller number in the series. The smaller number is 2 we have. Okay, so we will write 2. Okay, after that 2, which number we will have? We have 7. Okay, so we will write 7. Okay, 2 and 7. Okay, and what we will do? We will place those symbols. Okay, 2 is smaller than 7. So we will place smaller than sign. Okay, because we are arranging from smaller to greater. We are arranging in ascending order from smaller to greater. Okay, so we will place smaller sign. 2 is smaller than 7. Then we will have 9. 7 is smaller than 9. Okay, then we will have 2, 12. 9 is smaller than 12. Then we will have 15. Okay, then we will have 15. Then we will have 23. See here, then we will have 23. Okay, 23. Then 25. Okay, after that what we will have? We will have 28 given in the series. Okay, then what we will have? Then we will have 34. Okay, so 34. After that what we will have? We will have 34, then 46, then 46, and then 84. Okay, so we have arranged it. We have arranged it in ascending order. And how we will check that we have taken all the number in series or not. So for that what we will do, we will count the number in the series and check that we have taken all the number in series or not. Okay, so that there is no way of making any mistakes in the question. See here what we will do, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we will see whether we have taken all those 11 numbers in the answer series or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what we are seeing that the number of elements in both the series is same, so that the answer is correct. Okay, so this is the way of arranging the number in ascending order from smaller to bigger. Okay, so I think now you have no problem while picking the sign where we have to put what sign. Now it is very clear to you all. Okay, when we are arranging ascending order, the symbol will be this, okay, and what we will do, we will arrange from smaller to greater, the symbol will be this. And when we will arrange in descending order, okay, suppose now we have to arrange in descending order. Okay, descending order, the same series if we will arrange in descending order. Okay, so which symbol we will place? We will place greater than. Why? Because in descending order we have to arrange the number in from greater to smaller, बड़े से छोटा की ओर. Okay, so see here, now what we will do, we will pick the biggest number in the series. Okay, see here, in the same question I am arranging in descending order also. Okay, see here, we will place the biggest number, which is 84. After that we will place this sign 84, then we will have 46. Okay, then we will have 34, then we will have 28, then we will have 25. After that what we will have? 23, then we will have 15. After that we will have 12, then we will have 9. After that we will have 7, and then last we will have 2. Okay, so now here we have arranged the number in descending order. Descending order, you know na, from greater to smaller. In descending order we will place this sign, this symbol we will place. Okay, so while arranging the descending order you will have to place this symbol, and while arranging in ascending order we will place this number. Okay, so this is the comparison of number. Okay, one number is greater than other number, greater to other number, or it can be smaller to other number, or it may be equal to the same number. Okay, so this is only in exercise 1.2 of your book. Okay, I think I have already given you example and make you all understand how to arrange the number in ascending and descending order while picking the signs also. Okay, with the sign. Okay, now you have to solve this exercise 1.2. Only 7 questions are there in the book, so solve each and every question first in rough and then in fair copy, and if any problem you can ask me. Okay, after this the next exercise is based on the greatest number and the smallest number, the way of arranging those number. Okay, so that we will take up in our next video, in our next lecture. That means, okay, till here you have to solve both the exercise, that is 1.1 and 1.2 in your fair copy. Very soon I can ask you to submit your copies via virtual medium, that is by the means of WhatsApp. Okay, I can ask you for the pics of those exercises also. So it's better to solve these questions in your fair copy. Okay, and if any problem you can ask me. Thank you.